Hey guys, Nate Doc here, and welcome to Swamp Rabbit Trail North at Unity Park. Now, as the name suggests, it runs right along the Unity Park, which we're currently building, and it's a very new section of the trail. I think they opened it like just 4 days ago. It's a really cool looking place. Let's check it out. Alright, this is the new bridge. They just put it in, I think, less than a month ago. And here's the Reedy River. And over there is where they're building the park. They're actually building on both sides of the trail. Morning. Alright guys, that's all time out for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.